Welcome to our exploration of the Gospel of Luke, chapters 5 through 8. Prepare to journey into a narrative world where the miraculous meets the mundane and divine teachings shed light on everyday struggles. In chapter 5, we encounter the miraculous catch of fish, where Jesus demonstrates his authority over nature. Do not be afraid. From now on you will catch men, Jesus tells Simon Peter, depicting a call to discipleship, a major theme throughout these chapters. As we move into chapter 6, Jesus challenges societal norms with the Sermon on the Plain. This provides radical teachings such as love your enemies, urging us to live with compassion and kindness beyond conventional limits.
Key actions like healing on the Sabbath and selecting the 12 apostles further illustrate Jesus' authority and the importance of faith and commitment. Chapter 7 reveals Jesus' deep compassion and power over life and death.
We read about Jesus raising the widow's son in Nain, an act showcasing his mastery over death and deep empathy for human suffering. When John the Baptist sends messengers, Jesus assures them, "Blessed is anyone who does not stumble on account of me," emphasizing faith despite doubts or uncertainties.
Finally, in chapter 8, Jesus tells the parable of the sower, explaining how different hearts receive God's word. This chapter explores themes of faith and understanding through powerful moments like calming the storm and healing a demon-possessed man.
The story of the bleeding woman and Jairus' daughter highlights unwavering faith, as Jesus declares, "Daughter, your faith has healed you." Each episode from these chapters brings us closer to understanding who Jesus is, his compassion, authority, and radical call to live differently. By diving into these stories, we find lessons for our lives today, encouraging us to embrace faith and compassion amidst life's challenges. Stay curious and continue exploring these biblically profound narratives that speak to the heart of humanity.